And Salazar becomes Mara. Mara is speed or balance. No good. And Galutan. Still again to Mara. Mara, pass to Sabala. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to the corner, loose, that's all. And Punta, Hamra, by Sabala. Ikapusan. Ikapusan to the Kabet. Pass to Galutan and gets the bucket. Make a squad. Counter steal. Here comes Gapusan, pass to Pakaige. The pass to Antonio, who is strong. And follow up by Sabala. Pass to the middle, Antonio from 3 to 9. East to the target, Sabala for follow up. And one. Pascual, 6 seconds on the shot clock. Reverse, Lopez. Pass to Antonio. Basket for Tocoben. Tocoben on that time. 1 shot. This and good ball again. Toco for the target. Mara, offensive rebound. No good. And Kala for the one. Pass to the corner. Gakusan corner 3. Here Gakusan. Here Polito. Corner 3. Here comes Sabala. Sabala from coast to coast. Minute out of the second. And one basket count. Ramos on that down drive. And yes, gets the bucket. Here comes Ramos. Ramos on the run. Counter steal Angeles. Gakusan, no, to Batani. Batani pass to Bermudez. 3. Manzano again from top of the key. Lose the ball and steal. Here comes Batani. Batani lays up and he puts it in. Sulabay to Batani at the basket. Slower, Batani. Batani corner 3. Bermudez. And one basket count, Luis. Here comes Dava from Gosens and one basket count. Here comes Patani and steal. Here comes Manzano. Manzano, oh yes, he puts it in. Besara. Patani again, pass on 3. Lakmay on the run. Here comes Lakmay, drive. Yes, gets it again. Set screen by Dawang. Pass to Dawang again. Dawang on the tag, yes, for 2. Here comes Mara, reverse layup, yes. To Manzano, 10 seconds, floater. To Dawang, lays up, and he puts it in. Lopez at the hat. Lopez, floater, sets up, Lopez, Punta. Grabs the wing, here comes Mara, Mara on the run, lays up, and yes. Dawang to Gakusan, lays up. For the hat, one south side, Abrahamo, crossover, and there's a basket count. Set the screen by Wantia, goes to 3, 10, 3, Pascual. And power jersey number 1, pushing foul. Gakusan, pick, Gakusan, pass on 3, in and out, and Bruta. From the shot clock. Abrahamo inside. 1. 5 seconds. Lopez for 3. Lopez grabs the board. Here comes Pascual at the break. Pascual reverse. Gakusan to Abrahamo inside. Outside. Pascual. Pass inside. Lopez. No good. And put that. Too strong. And Korea. He's still by Dawang. Here comes Dawang. And he puts it in. Catalan inside. Corner. Lopez for 3. Bang! Gakusan take. Gakusan loads a 3. And yes. Pass to Catalan. Catalan. And basket. Here comes Dawang, pass to Gakusan. 5-over-3 to Vidal, no good. And Dawang grabs Luis. Here comes Dawang at the break, lays out. Big pass outside. Gapusan for 3. And this time, Ricardo Tuda. So, kala-kala. Lots of 3. Kine Lopez. Set the script by Abrahano. Tawang pass to Abrahano. And for the finish, Abrahano takes the lead. Still by Gapusan. Gapusan from Pautoy for 3. Gapusan. Para paso sa bala. Sa bala to the middle. And kala-kala po pastong talan. Katalan running shot and use the board. Gapusan pasong talan. Katalan lays up. And easy passing. Sa bala on that drive. And yes, he puts it. Tumaben. Pass to Abrahano, corner 2. Yes, at the shot clock. Lopez from the baseline. Lopez. Here comes Tomaben. Jose Agusan on the run. Pass to Big. Leading out. Angeles put back. Hands up. Katani. Counter steal. Angeles. Fadeaway shot. Angeles. Here comes Katani. Pass to Kala-Kala. And yes, gets the target. Rampa Sabrano. Pass to Rabiscal.
Patay.
Does a 3. Yes, sir. Ini. To Sabada. And still by Rabiscal. Gapusan. 5 seconds. 3. That is time. And power. Pass to Patani. For Dahan. Bermudez, Nagisan, Sabala Puta.
Nuligan.
Tawang on the run, lays up. And yes, to Sabala. Sabala on the attack, yes. Rabisca.
Patay.
5 and 3, there. Lopez. Set to skill by Bermudez. Lopez corner 3. And for 3. Tawang Rabiscal again. Lorenzo. Ramos on the run. Ramos short. Sabala. Utpa. Here comes Tomaben. Cross the lane. To Lopez. Lopez on the drive and run. Still by Ramos. Here comes Lopez on the break. Top break. Gapusan. Use the ball. Here comes Tawang. Tawang drop pass to Gapusan. Gapusan. And Bermudez. Sabana from the wing. Lopez lays out. There's the whistle. Foul jersey number 7, pushing foul. Second personal foul. Come on in. Connect from the waist ng Angeles to Gapusan. Lost 3 man. Tawang pass of the scout to Triggerman. Tawang. Running by Lopez. And it away by Gapusan. Gapusan does a 3. And with the word Gapusan. Gapusan lays up. Sabala recover again. 10 seconds. And use the board.
Exciting. Alam mo, wala.
It's still right up again. Off balance, no good. And rebound by Ibarra. Here comes Mara, Mara, ground from goes to goes. Yes. Still by Mara. Pass to Sabala. Sabala and 1. Basket count. Tawang pass to open Marina. And from Dawas, Sabala. Here comes Sabala. Lays up. It's layup.